Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the noise so processing won't affect the rest of your mix. Duplicate the noisy region to a new track and solo it. This preserves the original and gives a clean test bed. Set a low latency buffer like 128 samples while monitoring so edits are responsive. Once done, disable any buses or sends that color the sound. This ensures you hear only the problem audio. These steps save time and prevent accidental degradation. Now you attack the noise with surgical tools. Insert Logic's noise gate first. Set the threshold to just below your lowest wanted signal so you cut hiss without squashing dynamics. Next, add the denoiser or adaptive limiter and apply a modest amount of reduction. Aggressive settings smear tone. If you have broadband or tonal hums, use spectral repair or the channel EQ to notch narrow frequencies. Once done, toggle bypass to compare and make sure clarity. Finish by refining and automating so the processing is transparent. Automate the bypass or plugin amount so you only treat noisy segments. This preserves natural dynamics elsewhere. Make careful /B checks on headphones and monitors to catch hidden artifacts, and adjust EQ to restore presence if the voice sounds thin. If you hear pumping or metallic artifacts, reduce denoise amount and switch to multi-band processing or manual spectral editing. That usually fixes overprocessing without losing clarity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.